The technique that we are going to learn in this video is comparative prompting. It is needed whenever you have to compare two or more things for you. You must be thinking that why would you need such a technique to compare things? You can simply ask LLM to compare things for you. But that is not effective. Let me tell you how. Let's understand this concept using an example. Let's imagine a situation where I want to buy a mobile phone. I am confused between Apple and Samsung. So let's ask LLM to compare both for me. I'll ask LLM which is better, Apple or Samsung. Let's see what is its answer. It has given me a general comparison, but you can see the line with which it has started the output is whether Apple or Samsung is better depends on what you are looking for. This is exactly what comparison prompting is about. Instead of doing a general comparison of different things, you ask LLM to compare two or more things for you on specific criteria. In this case, it did a comparison, but that was very general and narrow, and it does not give me an information based upon which I can take some action. It has compared both phones on those criteria which I don't even want. For example, this customization feature I don't want, so I don't care if Apple is better in this feature or Samsung is better in this feature. Similar goes for this feature. So instead of going through this long response and finding out for the features that I really need, we can use a smarter approach. Let's now use comparative prompting to compare both mobile phones, and let's see what is the response we get this time. I started the prompt with the same line, that is compare Apple versus Samsung on. Now I need to decide on things that I want in mobile phones. First, I want it to compare both mobile phones based on price. Second, I want it to compare both mobile phones on camera quality. Third, I want it to compare both on design. And fourth can be battery. These are the four things that I really want my phone to be better on. So let's ask LLM and see what is the answer it gives us. Okay, so it says that Apple offers premium pricing while Samsung offers budget, mid-range and premium phones. So it says winner is Samsung. In camera, it says winner is Samsung because better hardware variety, especially for photography. In design, it says it's a tie between both. So definitely, if Samsung is winning in two of them, and it's also better in design, and Apple is slightly better in battery, that means Samsung is also doing good in this criterion. Now you see how this output is better from the previous one. This output is more specific, clearly tells me which phone is winner based on one criterion, and provides me with clear actionable insights. This example clearly tells us what comparative prompting is, how it is better than general comparison, and how you can get actionable insights using comparative prompting. So next time when you want to compare two or more things for you, never use general comparison. Instead, ask LLM to compare those things for you based on specific criteria that you want to have in those things.